Welcome to Henry's show. Hi, I'm your friend Henry. Today we're going to do review 2, short vowels O, U. After you finish doing that, you're going to do challenge by yourself. Because I'm only doing until review 2. Because I promised with my parents, just only do until review 2, and this is kind of like a test challenge. How can we spell sun? S-U-N. So 1, 2, 3. Sun. How can we spell dog? D-O-G. Dog. Great. Number 3. How can we spell nut? N-U-T. Nut. Good. I'm going to spell pup. P-U-P. Pup. How can we spell mud? M-U-D. Mud. Number 6. How can we spell fox? F-O-X. Fox. Wait, I forgot to write number 5. And let's write number 6. Number 7. How can we spell bug? B-U-G. Bug. Number 8. How can we spell log? L-O-G. Log. Okay, I read bug also because I forgot to. It's log. Great, let's turn to the next page. Circle the pictures with the matching sound. O. Jog. Great. No, the jog and run is different, so it's sometimes confused. Pot. Hop. Bun. No. Gun. Fox. No. Cop. No. Cut. You're gonna correct letters. But ox. Box. H up or h up or h un. H ug. Hug. K og. K hop. K ox. This cop. K up. K up. K on. K ut. What do you think? Cop. K up. Number 5. The og. The ox. The ox. What do you think? It is the og. Dog. Number 6. Run. Rug. What do you think it is? It's run. Run. Let's start. B-U-G is bug. And number 2. P-U-P. You have another idea to do this. If you do B-U-G, you can also do P-U-P. Do you know why? If you know, you're really smart. But I will tell you. This is short vowel U. If this short vowel, they're all short vowel U. Pup is short vowel U. Bug is short vowel U. But if short vowel U is middle of the square, then do that. Okay, now number 3 and number 4. What is it? It is a law. Number 4 is dog. Number 5, what is it? What is it? It is hot. Number 6 is hop. Number 7, it is gun. Number 8 is rub. Now, page 54. Write the missing letter. Hug. Bun. Cop, short vowel O. Number 4, top, short vowel U. Number 5, gun, short vowel U. Number 6, log, short vowel O. Number 7, cup, short vowel U. Number 8, nut, short vowel U. Number 9, dog, short vowel O. Number 10, rug, short vowel U. Number 11, box, short vowel O. Number 12, run, vowel U. Number 13, cut, short vowel U. Number 14, hot, short vowel O. Number 15, rug, short vowel U. Number 16, pot, short vowel O. Let's do page 55 now. Number 1 is up, hop. And number 2 is dog. Number 3 is fox. Number 4 is pot. Number 5 will be bug. Number 6, nut. Number 7, sun. Number 8 is cup. Now let's turn to pins. This challenge, short vowel A, E, I, O, U. We are not going to do this together, but you can do it by yourself. It's really easy peasy, I told you. It's all of it. A, E, I, O, U. And congratulations! You finished Phonics 2 book. After you do this challenge and a progress test, student book, and also challenge in student book before we do progress test. You're going to do progress test by yourself. We also reviewed it, so I hope. Good luck doing your test. Good luck, and see you in Phonics 3. I'm really proud of you. Bye!